Will confirm cases of whooping cough are spreading across the state, and experts say one of the best ways to stay healthy is to make sure that you are up to date on your Tdap vaccinations. The vaccination contains antigens of tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis in order to teach the body how to fight these illnesses. Doctors say you should get babies vaccinated at 2 months, 4 months, and 6, and kids need to be vaccinated every 5 years and adults every 10.
Really important to get vaccinated because it is extremely contagious. It spreads through the air particles, so like if you cough, sneeze, even laughing, those droplets get out into the air and then other people can breathe them in, or if you cough and it lands on the surface and you can pick it up that way. So it spreads pretty quickly. It's really important to get vaccinated for it.
You can find more information on our website and app.